Good morning, students. Now, in the last class, we have discussed the questions based on methods of finding mean. How we can find mean? I have told you there are three methods. First one is direct method. Second is shortcut method, assumed mean method. Third one is step deviation method, that is deleted. Now, let us do one more questions of exercise 14.1. That is, I am doing question number 7 because it's in the class interval is given in decimal form. I am reading the question. To find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million, ppm. Parts per million can be shortly written as ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. You are given class interval and frequency. Again, due to the shortage of space, I am writing it as direct class interval. You can write as the concentration of sulfur dioxide if you want. Next is frequency. And I am doing this question by shortcut method because that is new for you. Now, first is class interval 0.00, 0.00 to 0.04. The gap is 0.04 and the classes are continuous. Next is 0.04 to 0.08. Third is 0.08 to 0.12. Next is 0.12 to 0.16. And next is 0.16 to 0.20. And last one is 0.20 to 0.24. That is, the classes are continuous and class size is 0.04. Next is frequency, that is Fi, that you are given as 4, 9, again 9, now 2, 4, 2. Now you have to find xi. Xi means mid class. First we have, as I told you, first class you can find by using the formula lower limit plus upper limit by 2, that is 0.00 plus 0.04 whole upon 2, that is 0.02. Now see, the classes are continuous. How can you check classes are continuous? By checking the diagonal elements are equal. Then what is the class size? Upper limit minus lower limit, that is 0.04. Now in order to find the next class marks, you have to add class size. अगली class mark निकालने के लिए आपको class का gap को add करते जाना. That is 0.06 and next is 0.10. 0.04 is adding. Next is 0.14 and next is 0.18 and next is let me rub this because of space is so less, so we can't adjust here. So that again I am writing frequency as 4 because gap should not be the due to the shortage of space. 9, 9, 2, 4, 2. Now I am writing the class marks, that is 0. I'm shifting to left side. 0.02, 0.06 because class gap 0.04 है, इसको ऐड करना है. 0.10, 0.14, 0.18 and 0.22. Now see, after that what do you have to do? उसके बाद हमको क्या करना है? आपको नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन xi का नंबर देखना है. या xi का नंबर कितना आ रहा है? xi का नंबर इवन में आ रहा है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yesterday we have done question in which the number of observations was only odd, so we can easily select the middlemost one. Here यहाँ number of observation even है, यहाँ 2 आ रहा है middlemost में. One is this one and one is this one. You can opt whatever that you want, but I suggest it is better to opt top one so that the calculation will be small. This is A. Next is di. Di is 0. Here, if you subtract this, you will get 0. This is small, that is 0. Positive 0.04. यहाँ positive आएगा क्योंकि ये small है. Next is 0. Let me check. 0.04, 0.08. Here you will get again. This is one more. This is minus 0.04 because xi minus a करें. da का फॉर्मूला क्या है? xi minus a. xi minus a मतलब 0.06 में से 0.10 माइनस कर रहे हैं. यहाँ इसका ऑपोजिट साइन आएगा 0.04, 0.08. लास्ट वन मोर विल रिमेन 0.12. Next you have to find FIDI. I am rubbing this column because you know the class interval. Next is FIDA. Next आपको FIDA निकालना है. That means this is into this. That is minus 0.32. Next is minus 9 into this one, minus 0.36, and this is 0. This is 0, positive 0.08. This is positive 0.32, and last one is positive 0.34. Now you have to find sum of frequency as well as sum of FIDA. Frequency 13 plus 9, 22, 24, 28, 30. That is sum of frequency. And sum of FIDA. You have to write total in the beginning because जगह की कमी से मैं उसको बिगाड़ दिया. आपको लेफ्ट साइड में टोटल लिखना है. This is minus 6.68. here 32, 40. That is, let me check once more. 0.08, 0.32, 0.24. 12 2 are 24. That is 6 plus 8, 24. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then you will get minus 0.04. देखिए, this is minus 0.68. This is 40 plus 0.64. That is minus 0.0. Then what is the formula of x bar? X bar equal to A plus sigma FIDA upon sigma FI. A is 0.10 minus, because sigma FIDA, sum of FIDA is minus, so that you can put minus here. 0.04 upon sigma FI is 30. If you solve this, you will get 0.10 minus 0.001. By solving it, you get 0.999 mpm. The unit is given as ppm. Sorry, 0.999 ppm. This is the question number 7. And see, question number 8. You just open your NCERT book whenever you see the video. जब भी आप वीडियो देखेंगे, NCERT book को खोलेंगे. In question number 8, I am reading. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students in a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. The class interval is given as 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 40 to 20. 20 to 28, 28 to 38, 38 to 40. तो इसमें क्लास इंटरवल का साइज, क्लास का गैप सेम नहीं है. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आप सीधा डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करना, सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई अपॉन सिग्मा एफ आई, और एक्स आई क्लास मार्क ऑफ ईच क्लास शुड बी फाउंड आउट. हम क्लास मार्क एक का निकाल करके ऐड करते जाते हैं, इसमें अलग अलग क्लास का निकाल करके फिर मल्टीप्लाई करके डायरेक्ट मेथड निकालना है. दिस मच इज सफिशिएंट फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मोड. Next step. Now one more chapter is remaining, that is construction, that also to be completed. Next topic is mode. Now for raw data, what have we can find mode? For raw data, mode is the most occurring observation that you know from class 9th. Occurring observation. ये आपने class 9th में सीख रखा है. For grouped data, most occurring observation means the observation with हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ फॉर ग्रुप डाटा, अगर आपको डाटा क्लास इंटरवल के फॉर्म में, टेबल के फॉर्म में दिया है, तो मोड निकालने का फॉर्मूला है, यू हैव टू लर्न बाय हार्टली. मोड इक्वल टू L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 अपॉन 2F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 into H. Now what is L? First of all, you have to find model class. Model class is that class whose frequency is the highest one. Now L is the lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. Now F1 is the frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. And F0, जैसे आप नंबर को अरेंज करेंगे 0, 1, 2 आता है. 1 मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 0 उसके ऊपर का क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 2 उसके नीचे का क्लास. ऊपर मीन्स प्रीसीडिंग. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग मॉडल क्लास, पहले का प्रीसीडिंग मॉडल क्लास. नाउ F2 इज आगे का, मतलब सक्सीडिंग. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास succeeding model class. Succeeding model class. And H H is class size. H means आपको class size लेना है. That the difference between upper limit and lower limit. That is for raw data, mode is the most occurring observation. The observation is the highest frequency. For group data, mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us start doing question. Now let us start doing exercise 14.2. This is very simple one. If you are asked to find mode of a data, it may come for 2 marks only in the board examination. Now let us start question. Exercise 14.2. I am reading the question. The question is, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age in years and number of patients are given. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. आपको एक डाटा दे रखा है, आपको मीन और मोड निकालना है, इसके बाद कंपेयर करना है. Let me draw the table. That is class interval, frequency. First of all, let us find that is you can make all the table in the all the columns of both mean and mode in the same table, but due to lack of space I am doing separately. You can find class mark, and since you are not asked to find this mean by any of the method, you can use direct method, that is FIXI. Now first one is 0 to 5 to 15, 5 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Sorry, the gap is 10. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35. 10 का gap है. Now 35 to 45, 45 to 55. Last one is 55 to 65. Once more check. 5 to 15, 10 gap. 10, 15 to 25, 10, 25, plus 10, 35, 45, 45, 55, 65. Frequency is given as 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Now you have to find xi. अब आपको xi निकालना है. इसमें आपको कोई भी मेथड पूछा नहीं. So what is the sum of this is continuous. तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्लास का क्लास मार्क निकालेंगे, फिर साइज को ऐड करेंगे. 5 plus 15, 20 by 2, 10. Now 20. Class gap is 10. 20 again 30, 40, 10, 10 ऐड करते जाना. 50, 60. Next is FIXI. 10, 6 are 60. 11, 2, 20. ऐसे आप नीचे नीचे लिखेंगे, आपको ऐड करना आसान पड़ेगा. Next is 630. 630. Next is 23 4s are 920. Next is 700. Next is 300. Now I am also making all the steps of mode here. What is the highest frequency? Highest frequency कौन सा आ रहा है यहाँ? The highest frequency is coming as that is, let me check once. Highest frequency is this one. This is highest frequency. तो मॉडल क्लास कौन सा है? This is मॉडल क्लास. तो मॉडल क्लास को ऐसे एनसर्कल कर लेना, तो आपको एग्जामिनर को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. This is 23. Now let us find the total. First of all we are going to find mean. मीडियम मोड में आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. मोड में सीधे आपको वो फॉर्मूला में पुट करना है. नाउ for mean you have to find all the sums. Total. What is the sum of frequency? 70, 80, 38, 41, 61, 65, 75, 80. This is sigma Fi. Now this sum, if you add, you will get 2830. I am not doing, you can do by yourself. Now mean x bar is equal to, by direct method, sigma FIXI upon sigma Fi, that is 2830 upon 80. 1 zeros are getting cancelled. If you do, you will get it as, that is 35.75. That is mean. Now you have to find mode. एक डाटा का, एक टेबल का, सेम डाटा का मीन, मीडियन और मोड में ज्यादा वेरिएशन नहीं होगा, आसपास में रहेंगे. दैट इज वाई ऑल दीज थ्री आर कॉल्ड मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी. Now I have to rub it, otherwise I can't do. Now how we can find mode? For finding mode, first of all find model class. This is model class. You have to write model class. Model class equal to 35 by 40. Now L, lower limit of model class. This is F1, this is F0, this is F2. F1 is 23. दो मॉडल क्लास के फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐसे ले लो 0 1 2. 0 मतलब पहले का, 1 मतलब उसी क्लास का, 2 मतलब आगे वाले का. F1 equal to 23, F2 equal to 40. Now you have to write the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now I am deleting all this, rubbing this table because no need of this table because we have written everything, we wrote everything here. That is L is 35. हर एक चीज हमने लिख रखा है, उसमें से वैल्यू पुट करना है. F1 means what is F1? F1 is 23 minus F0. What is F0? F0 that I have rubbed. F0 is, let me write. F0 is 21. That you have to write somewhere. F0 is equal to 21. That is 23 minus 21 whole upon 2F1. 2F1 मतलब 2 into 23 minus F0 that is 21 minus F2. F2 is 14. Now if you into H is 10 class size. Now if you solve this you will get 35 plus. I am not giving you any step of calculation. If you solve this you will get 2 by 11. 2 by 11 into 10. Now if you solve again this you will get 35 plus 1.818. 35 plus 1.818 that is 36.18. Now I will compare mean and median. Mode and mean. Mean you got as what is the mean that we got? The value of mean that we got as 36.8. Right, once more 36.8 and mode we got as mean we got as 35.37. अभी तो mean 35.37 मिला था and mode is equal to 36.8 years. Mode means maximum, that is maximum age. This is the age. The question is about age. Maximum age is 35.37 years. And average age, mean means average age is 36.8 years. This is the first question. In each question you are asked to find mean and mode, but I will do mode. You can find mean by yourself. Next question, one more question I am doing is you have to find question number 2 of exercise 14.2. The following data give the information of the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. Lifetime in hours and frequency is given. You are asked to find model lifetime. That means in this question you are only asked to find mode. Now again we have to make class interval and frequency. Class interval is 0 to 20. This is question number 2. 0 to 20, 20 to 40. Gap is 20, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and last class is 80 to 100 and next is 100 to 120. This is the class interval and frequency is given as 10. इसको थोड़ा शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं because nothing is to be found. XI वगैरह नहीं फाइंड आउट करना क्योंकि only mode पूछा आपसे. 10, 35, 10, 35. Next is 52. Next is 61. Next is 38 and last one is 29. Now see what is the highest frequency that you are getting. Highest frequency कौन सा आ रहा है? 10. Highest frequency is coming as 61. ये 61 highest frequency होता है. That means model class कौन सा हो रहा है? 61 आ रहा है. 61 मतलब model class 60 to 80 हो गया. This is F1. This is इसके सामने लिख करके रखेंगे, आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. Now mode is equal to, first of all सबसे पहले आपको मॉडल क्लास निकालना है. मोड क्लास निकालने के लिए हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी देखना है. उसके बाद that frequency is taken as f1. The frequency preceding one is f0. Frequency succeeding one is f2. That is mode. First of all, you have to write formula. For formula, there should be mark distribution in the board examination. L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now L is model class. First of all, write all the things that we have found. Model class is equal to 60 to 80. That means implies L is equal to 60. Now F1 यहाँ already लिख रखा है. Then also you can write F1 equal to 61, F0 equal to 52, F2 is equal to 38. Therefore mode is equal to L plus L means 60 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 upon 2F1. 2F1 means 2 into 61 minus F0 52 minus F2. F2 is 38 into H. H is 20. Gap is 20 that you are given. Now if you solve this, you will get as I am writing directly 60 plus 9 by 32 into 20. 60 plus 9 by 32 into 20. If you solve it, you will get 65.625. 65.625. In this way, you can find all the questions in which you are asked to find mode. There are total 6 questions. 2 questions we have done. In question number 3, you are asked to find mean as well as mode. If you are feeling it is better to do by direct method, you can do by direct method. And for 4th question also, you are asked to find mode and mean. And 5th question, you are asked to find only mode, and 6th question only mode. Then I think that you can do all these questions and do all the questions after seeing the video tomorrow. Today itself, so that you can complete this exercise with me. And the next topic is median, that we will continue in the next class. If you have any queries, you can ask me. See you again. Thank you.